71% of ransomware attacks target small businesses. Combine this with the recent coordinated ransomware attack on over 20 government organizations in Texas, the growing number of schools being singled out, and how cyber criminals are using technology services and software companies to launch massive cyber attacks. The threat of your business being hit with a ransomware attack is real. Hi, my name is Mike, and October is Cybersecurity Awareness Month. We want to help you understand why taking cybersecurity seriously is now a must for your business, school, organization, and even your personal computer. According to Beasley Breach Response Services, the average payout for a ransomware breach in a small business is $116,000. The highest ransom demanded was $8.5 million. Yes, almost $9 million. And the highest demand paid was just shy of $1 million, $935,000 to be exact. How can a small business or any organization pay these demands and continue to stay in business? This is where we come in. We take your security seriously. Speak with one of our cybersecurity specialists today to learn how our approach to keeping your organization secure will ensure that ransomware threats are minimized and you can keep your money where it belongs, in your business.